Hmm. Hello, hello, hello. Hi. Welcome back to my video, to my 10th video. Okay. So, let's get to the thing that what I have done since last 4 days, I think. Again, I procrastinated, or you can say, yes, like, the the video was to be recorded yesterday, and I'm recording today. And then what I can see is that I have again made a mistake, and that is today is Monday, and I have said the earlier time only. I forget every time. Today is Monday, 27th of April. This is my 10th video. And so, come on, let's wrap up. Like, let's dive in. So, what I have done. But before that, let me first do the thing that I'm making the videos for, like improve my communication. So first let me do a typical introduction, so that I become familiar. I familiarize introducing myself. I become normal, natural. So yeah. So let's start. So hello everyone. I am Muhammad Arham, and I am Muhammad Arham. I am a BCA student, bachelor's in computer application. I'm studying it from MUJ Manipal University, Jaipur, and I'm a boy that is maker inside. Like I like to build things, but I also don't know that I like or not. So I'm a kind of like a maker and an explorer. I like to explore things. I like to do different things. Uh, yeah, I also don't know it is a distraction or it is a plus point or a minus point for me, because I like exploring things, doing different things. Like as you know, I study also, do sports also, and many other things. And also two to three things I don't list in my video also. So I'm a maker in heart. I'm explorer. What else should be included? Should be the intro in my intro. Like, I love to help others, but I am a beginner, and I want to say anything. Yeah, I'm a quite shy person. I have a I'm trying to improve I'm trying to improve myself, my personal development, communication skills, technical skills, and all. So yeah, it's a lot for I'm doing this intro. This is the first time. So okay, now let's go to the next. It's enough for today. So yeah, for the now, where are we? We are in the study section. So yeah, what I have studied from the last 4 days. Yeah, it's like you surprised that I have sorry, I forgot that to mention the next course that I was doing in the earlier video. Actually, this was the course is from the Google IT support professional certificate from Coursera. The course is System Administration and IT Infrastructure Services. Okay, so this was the next course that I would do, because I have left in between that. So yeah, and I'm delighted to say that I have completed 100%. I've completed the course. Okay, I went in the flow. So sorry. Yeah, I completed the course. Actually, this course is like you can say in the earlier course of this professional certificate. The course was like of it was what it was operating system, and you becoming a yeah mastering the operating system, or you can see the command line. Yeah, and you become the power user. So what it actually taught was how to do the things, do the things. Let's do the things. Yes, how to do the things from the command line, like how to be a computer controller. The insider control that controls the computer, the kernel, and all. So it taught me that. Now this system admin and infrastructure course, the main point you can see, or you can say the raw juice, what it taught was how to manage Like the earlier course taught me to manage one computer, and this course was like teaching to be an administrator, be a controller for thousands or hundreds of computer, like to be a controller for hundred of computers in a company. So yeah, it's about scale, and also system administration means who controls, like who's the ruler of the IT infrastructure or the IT things, the computer things in a company. Okay, like from procurement, like from buying things to like to the disposal, the throwing or the disposing thing. So the system administrator manages all that. Like first it no. First, we buy, then we set the network protocol, then the operating system and all, not first buy, then set the OS and the kernel and all, and like networking things, Wi-Fi route and router and also, yeah, let's not go into the deep technical details. So yeah, this course, the actual points that I learned was this, and yeah, let me show you the proof that we all mainly I want to show you is that and the certificate, yeah, the completion certificate. Wait, yeah, so here is the certificate. As you can see, I completed the course. Muhammad has successfully completed the system administration and IT infrastructure services. So, yeah, as you can see, the certificate. So, now let's move to the. Wait, I'm showing you the notes that I have made for this course. Okay, yeah. So, this is the core. This is the notes. System administration, IT infrastructure cheat sheets. And please don't go to the beauty of the notes, okay? The notes was like a rough draft, a very bad, here and there. It was like when I made it, you know. So it was like a very bad structure. It was not looking good, but I then used AI. What the AI for? I used AI and told you to like format it and make it beautiful. So yeah, it made me beautiful. It made it beautiful. And these are the notes. Now we will like go through all them. But yeah. So actually, in the earlier like 5 to 6 months earlier, I was in the course only. Okay, now if I will tell you all the story, then it will go like a very long video. So I'm not telling all that. So actually, I was in the networking course. Okay, it was the second course in the Google IT's in this course only. In this professional certificate big course. Uh, it was the second course that was networking. Okay, in which TCP, IP, and SSL, TLS, all those things were taught, like the networking things. So what I made a mistake in that was I was making the notes in copy, okay? And what I was doing was that I copied everything. What the instructor told, like what they showed in the screen, I copied all the things. And what happened, I made like half of the copy was full of notes. And it was not like a small copy, it was the full, the big like the big copy you have seen, the rough copy in which there are no lines and all. So yeah, I made half of the copy, not half of the like pages. It was a thick copy. I made half of the copy full of notes. And what happened? It was like it was like a headache. Okay, now even I also think I have to think to go back to see those notes, because it has become like a very much headache only. Like I wrote everything and I can't go and check what I have read in those things, because it has become eventually a tension, a headache for me. So I learned that notes are not like copy the internet. We have internet for the long things. So we have to make a like blueprint, or you can see a mind map for the things, a short. So I learned from this, and that's why I started putting the notes shorter and like just in 1.5 or 5 pages only. So yeah, let's walk through the and surf through the notes quickly. Infrastructure models. Yeah, these are the cloud models. Okay. I also studied the cloud, and these are the like things you can see on the divisions: IaaS, infrastructure as a service; PaaS, and PaaS, you can say platform as a service; and SaaS. It is like software as a service, okay, renting the final app only, and this is the environment and all. So these are the networking services, the plumbing work, DSCP, dynamic host configuration protocol, and the DNS, domain name system. This names the IP addresses. This assigns IP addresses to the things that connect to the network. And these are the NTP. Okay, and this is the proxy, so the bouncer that hides the internal IPs and all. This is the SSH secure remote command line access. These are the directory services. Oh, I'm feeling like sneezing. Yeah, these are the directory services and the directory server, LDAP, Active Directory. Yeah, this is the like the important thing you can say. It's Microsoft Enterprise Directory Software. Okay, so yeah, or use organizational units. Yeah, I have to be clear, and so I have to open my mouth. Organizational units. Okay, so it is like you can see a file system or like a file. You can see folders for grouping user devices, group policy objects, like the purpose, policy preference, and golden rules. The backup and disaster recovery after like a hack or a natural thing, a natural disasters and all. And the postmortem is what happened, why happened, and all. Okay, so blameless culture, fixed purpose, and key role always document when what went well, not just what failed. Because documenting what went well is like gives internal motivation. You can say, okay, so yeah, these are the things that failed, but these are the things that we did correct. It's like you can say motivating factor. Okay, so yeah, these are the notes. So now let's head back to my previous thing. Okay, so as I have done the course, so my next course of this Google IT support professional certificate will be defense IT security. Okay, defense against the digital dark attacks. Yeah, there are all the security things. And I'm also delighted to say that I have completed Chinese for beginners module 7. Okay, it was like module 7. What is your hobby? Yeah, okay, Àihào. Oh, sorry. Àihào, Àihào is hobby in Chinese it is called. Okay, so what I actually learned in the lecture was like the module. What is your hobby? Had like various things like what days today. Like I like swimming. I watch TV every day and the news and sports. All the how to say it is in Chinese. So that things like the things like some Chinese words I can say is that. So when you want to know what days today, okay, so you will tell like this. Qin Tian Shi Xing Qi Qi. Okay, so what day is today? Qin Tian is today, and she is like to be. Qin Tian Xing Qi Qi. And in the answer, we will say like Qin Tian today. Qin Tian Xing Qi Xing Qi. Okay, Xing Qi is like you can say Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is like very easy to say in Chinese because it is just like numbers and a word. Okay, so Xingqi is like you can say a day and just add the numbers like 1 to 3 after the Xingqi. So it will become like one is Monday. Okay, so Xingqi Monday, Xingqi Er it's Tuesday, Xingqi San it's Wednesday, Xingqi Si is Thursday, Xingqi Wu is Friday, and Xingqi Wu is like five. Okay, six. Six is Saturday. You can say Xingqi Liu, and Saturday and Sunday is like different. It is like Xingqi Tian. Xingqi Tian. So these are things. Some if you want to listen more, if you want to listen more, then like for TV, like do you watch TV? So you can say it like ni kan Tian Shi ma. So Tian Shi is like TV, okay? So if you like in the ni kan Tian Shi ma, this means that do you watch TV? And in the response you can say like 我每天早上看新闻. Okay, so I watch TV news in the morning every day. Okay, so now we don't like go deep in the details and also yeah, these are the things that I have learned. that I've learned and not learned. Like I'm familiarizing myself, familiarizing my mind, familiarizing my ears with the Chinese tones and speak. So it was quite a good things. Like you can say, what it is, I love. Like I love doing something. It is in the Chinese. It is like Shihun, yeah. Shihun is like I love doing this. So wo Shihun, I like wo Shihun. So yeah, I've like familiarized myself with these Chinese words and tones and all. So now let's go to the sports section. So for the sports section, like to be truth and to be like genuine, I'm telling you, what it is happening is that I nowadays I go to play football match like every next day, okay? Like the what it is called? Every alternating day, you can say. So what happens is that like I feel little bit like little bit weak or like burnout. Okay, so that's why I'm not able to do the calisthenics, push-ups and pull-ups. Yeah, I do little bit, not like a full dedicated workout. And I want to tell you one thing that I tried. I'm like thinking that I might not be able to complete the aim that I have put for the like I aim to do a handstand, okay, like a 5 seconds or 10 second handstand within April month for calisthenics. Okay, so I might not be able to complete that, but let's see what will happen because see I tried doing handstand and what happened was like I was feeling like sprain in my left hand, okay, and sorry, and that was because like I lifted heavy weights, okay. So that's why I have a little sprain and can't like put my hand in the floor and I can't do a handstand, but it is feeling like a pain. So I'm trying to do it. Like in the first day, I'm trying to balance it like naturally, okay. I feel like hacking things, okay? So like how we stand from our feet, how we control the pressure, how we go forward and we prevent ourselves from falling by putting like squeezing our pressure by putting pressure on our fingers. I like to do the same thing with my hands, okay? So main thing is like you have to focus and be present in while doing the handstand. It will feel like a joy, okay? So yeah, I'm going again in the flow. Sorry. So yeah, I'm trying to do and I'm also thinking how I will be showing you all the progress because I don't like showing the videos, but I will see and like um, I will try to find a way, okay, to how to maybe like record a dark room video doing a handstand or doing a hundred juggling football. Yeah, so I've told you I'm doing the football match. Like I'm going alternate in the alternate days and playing football. So I can do 100 juggles. So I don't think like I don't know what will happen in the next. So these are the things. And martial arts, yeah, here it is hidden. So martial arts actually is like I'm feeling a little bit. I told I'm feeling a little bit tired, so I'm not actually able to do this, but I will try. So these are the things that I have like achieved in the next 2 to 3 days. So thank you for listening to me and thank you for listening to all the all the pain all things. So Jazakallah khair and meet you next time. So what will the next time of uploading will be on Monday. Maybe I will be in a break. Yeah, and because I have done a course and I will be doing second and I will be taking a break. So maybe I will do a break. So I'll be uploading a video like later. So thank you for listening and Jazakallah khair. Bye.